Hello from Bet 2020. I'm Leslie Fisher, and I'm here to share with you some of my favorite tips that you can use right now. Did you know that Immersive Reader is currently available for third parties to add into their product? Did you also know that there are over 30 different companies that currently have Immersive Reader support? I want to take you on a tour of some of the companies that have Immersive Reader support, and they happen to be here at Bet 2020 in the Microsoft booth. But before we get started, I want to start my favorite movable booth of Bet 2020, Wakelet. Let's go and show you the other places. Follow me. Hey, Bunsey!
Hi!
Show me where Immersive Reader is in Bunsey.
Immersive Reader is right over there.
And just like that, fun and engaging content creation has support for Immersive Reader. Got another one for you. Come over here. Let's go to Merge. You want to show me where Immersive Reader is in the Merge Explorer app?
Yes.
Awesome.
I would love to.
Hey, Canvas, how are you?
Hey, how's it going?
Immersive Reader, show us where it is in Canvas.
Absolutely.
Hey guys, Flipgrid. Show me where Immersive Reader is. Available in both teacher and student view, right here. As a struggling reader, I know how much better Immersive Reader makes my life. Now that it's open for third parties and more third parties are adding Immersive Reader to their solutions, not just my life is going to get better, but the lives of teachers and students everywhere.